All right, Samuel just got this Nerf gun. What? Elite for Christmas, and he's going to open it up real quick.
It's a Flipshots. It's a Flipshots.
Right, yeah, Elite 2.0 Flipshots, Flip 32. Nerf gun.
I got it for Christmas.
All right, open this thing up. What? Little sister got a cowgirl hat and cowgirl boots
And a ballerina.
and a ballerina tutu. We see all our toys. The mess. That's Samuel's, some of his stuff, not all of it.
Yeah, I've opened most of it. I got a bunch of Pokemon stuff.
Pokemon stuff. Okay. Right now we are focused on the Nerf gun.
Fun stuff. I think this is good.
You may hold this end of the box while you pull.
Here's a part of the gun. Mama, I want to see what part this is.
Okay.
The barrel.
Yeah, get you some chocolate milk in just a second. Oh, what is
This
that?
is like, you put it on the side, then you spin it around and you shoot.
It holds the bullets.
I think so.
Looks like it does.
Yeah, it does.
Whoa.
So, looks to me like this thing. Is right
Ooh, I'm falling.
on.
Why don't you get the instructions out so we'll absolutely make sure we're doing it right. Here, there's another box in there. There's a box inside this big box.
I know, that's for this side. There's two sides inside the sides inside the side. There's two boxes in there. I think so. Oh, yeah,
Ooh.
look.
It's a cocker. It cocks.
Wait! You shoot. You do this, and then you can shoot out, and then you can shoot a regular bullet. But you do this, and then you can shoot out one of these.
Whoa, cool.
And now does it shoot? It sounds cool. Wait.
Well, open up and see what other parts come with it.
Okay. I'm excited.
I know, but you got to see what other parts come with it. There's Big Sissy's new laptop charger. Samuel got this cool slinky. I love slinkies. This is the good metal
I want
one.
to show you something.
It's the good metal kind. Cool. It's cool.
Oh, here's the other side. And I'm assuming this is the ammo.
Yeah, it said 32 times, so it's probably got 32 bullets, I'm assuming. Whoa! You're going to... Oh, is that the instructions?
Whoa,
Here,
look at the tip. I've never had a bullet like that.
Oh, that's cool. Here's the
I found the
manual.
instructions manual. I've never
Ah.
had this.
Do you see his gun? See his gun?
First things first.
Did you look at the instructions? You know how you boys and men are, not looking at instructions and reading things. Here it is, step by step, what to do.
I did read them.
You read all that super
I read the
fast.
first thing. I said first things first. There's one.
Pull down, snap on. It holds 16 bullets, it looks like, at a time on each thingamabob. Or maybe each one of these holds 16 bullets. I think each one of these holds 16 bullets or something.
There's
I
a
think.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So that makes
What was that?
32. The box fell.
All right. So when you ran out of ammo on one, you just
Does it just flip around?
flip it around, shoot again.
That's cool. You don't have one like this, do you?
No, I've never had a gun like this. I've never even seen one of these.
This came from Nana. She did good.
Oh.
Up.
I keep putting the bullets on upside down because they're the same color. Let's get the big box out. Oh, it's kind of already open.
Check out Samuel's cakes. His new Nikes he got from Santa.
I got more too.
Yeah, he got another pair too. I'll show him your other pair of shoes while you're putting all that in there. Let's see. There they are. Those are cool.
All right, last bullet and
You got it?
loaded. All right, there's two things that shoot. So I gotta figure out what shoot down the hall.
Shoot it down the hallway.
It's heavy.
Our house is a mess from all the toys.
All right, let me see what this one does first. It's so heavy. Oh, yeah, I think it's already loaded. I don't know.
Try it. Give it a try.
No, it's not. Can't load that one. I gotta load this one. I can't load either one.
Uh-oh. We got to figure it out first.
Oh, that wasn't.
Maybe that's what it was. Let's see. No? Oh, did it shoot?
Yeah.
All right.
Now you load
So you
this.
load that. Now shoot. There it goes.
Oh, now I can't load that. Now I gotta load this one. This is a mess.
It's not a mess. You just got to figure it out.
You just gotta have a bunch of momentum.
Is it heavy? It looks like you're struggling to hold it there.
Heavy, and
It's heavy?
hard to reload it.
Uh-oh, what's wrong? Jam again? Or you just got to... Oh!
It's so heavy.
Oh, no. It's taking us a minute to figure this out. Oh, there we go.
It's not two.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. It's real heavy.
All right, hold up. Let's see it one last time. Do you like it, though, even though it's
Yes.
heavy? Okay. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.